In this video, we are going to see how to create digital signature using PowerPoint and also change the color of the fonts. Welcome to PowerPoint Solar. All you need to do is just write your signature on a white piece of paper and then take a photo using your cell phone. Once you have taken the picture on your cell phone, now you need to import the picture file into PowerPoint. So all you need to do is just to go to insert wherever your file is there and use the picture and from this device, right? Now I have already done, and this is the image what I took it on the cell phone. And when you take it on the cell phone, you see, even though you write your signature on a white piece of paper, and the background on the image looks gray color. So you have to remove the gray color completely. And what you need to do is just double click on the image and you see remove background, click on that. And the places where you do not want, those appears as the pink color. And the places you want a black color, you have to remove the pink color from that. So make it bigger so that it's much easier to edit. Use this option. And mark area to keep. So you click on that area and just you see where the pencil appears, just click on it and it all removed. And now you click on there, and then click. Some pink there, you remove it. Okay, now again you see some white appears that you need to remove it. So right click on it, click. Okay, make it smaller. Now you click outside. Now you see completely the gray color gone. And that is the image what you took. Now the next step is you need to make this image smaller. You see crop and make it smaller so that you can use it anywhere in your document. Okay, so that is the signature. You can use it on your document. This is in black color. However, if you want to change the color of the font, what you need to do is just cut this image and then you paste using this option. Do not use Ctrl C for copy, Ctrl V for paste. That option doesn't work. So once you use this option, you make it bigger. Okay, so that, and what you need to do is just right click, format picture, go to image settings, and you see the picture correction, and increase the sharpness to 100%, and also you increase the brightness to 100%. Okay, once it is done, then you double click on this image, go to color, and you see more variation, and then you change the color, whatever the color you want. You see the brown color, red, and the green, the dark green, solar blue, or any other color you want. May say for example blue color. So you change the blue color. This is how you need to change the font color. That is all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you like the video and want to see new video, please subscribe my channel and click the bell button. Okay, we will see in another video with another tutorial. Thank you.